Hi everyone, Nancy Wethington with you today, showing you my next Button Farm Club kit. I hesitate to call this a mini book, although it is, but you're first going to create this adorable Christmas house. Look at those skates. That is an exclusive design to Button Farm Club. Gina and I worked on this to get just the right dimensions for everything. See the shingled roof? And inside the door you have elves working. And then there's Santa on the second floor. And boys and girls looking inside the window. Snow on the roof. And elves in the attic. And this little guy is on 4 metal feet. And the top is open. And I'm going to show you what's inside. Now first let me just turn this around. It's decorated all around. I used a punch to simulate flowers and grass, and this is all with Authentique paper. In fact, I used a couple different designs on this one, but I think it's so cute. Okay, so let me show you the inside of this. We take these out first. You are going to create, and this is very easy, once you put the box together, and you'll get directions for that, super easy to do. You're going to create these inserts, and you'll have 4 of them to create, and they slide right inside the box. And then you will have 4 mini books, and each mini book is decorated. And let me start at the beginning and show you. Each book is the same, it's just decorated a little bit differently. So you open it up, and you have 2 sides, obviously, it's a book, and a flip on the left, and a flip on the right. That goes in one of the slots that you create. Second book, same way. Like I said, just decorated a little bit differently. This is a pocket on each side. Flip and flip. So when all is said and done, each of these little booklets holds 8 photos. Pockets, flips, pockets, flips. And you know, math is not my forte, but 4 books times 8, 32 pictures. It's a lot of Christmas pictures. And the cute part is you can keep this out throughout the holidays because it's so adorable. Sitting on a table, a side table, the center of your kitchen table. And everything is included for the kit. So easy, so cute, and it can be yours through the Button Farm Club. Thank you.